Hello everyone, I'm Tanveer from India. In this video, we will learn how you can integrate Google Docs with Zotero. This means how you can write a research paper in Google Docs and can get the references from Zotero which you have saved in the Zotero software and created a library of all your research work. So let me first open my software, that is Zotero. So here you can see that I have mentioned a research paper, that is energy optimization in wireless communications. So here goes all the detail about the authors, abstract, publication detail. Everything is mentioned in the Zotero software. So now I have to open a Google Doc. So this is a Google Doc. Let me type here. This is my research paper. And here I will write this data has been taken from reference. So now I will mention the reference paper name here. So for that I will go here Zotero and I will click on the add or edit citation. So it will open a window here, that is from Zotero. I will type my name here. So this you can see that my library has been opened and I will click on this paper because I would like to refer this paper here. So just I have to click the enter here and one number will be mentioned here, that this is a reference one. So suppose now I have to create a reference section here, and under reference section I will mention that paper details under this reference section that I have used here, that is at number 1. So for that I will again go to Zotero option which is embedded in Google Docs and I will just click on the add or edit bibliography. So here you will see how that research paper details can be added. So this is really a great thing, which is the integration of Google Docs with Zotero. Similarly, if you are going to write here reference number 2 by using the option of add or edit citation, I can't use here because I have added only one research paper in Zotero. So you can see here, so if you have 100 research papers here, so similarly you can write all the references. You don't have to manually type all the reference style which you needed, whether it is a IEEE or it is a Elsevier. So you just have to add in Zotero and you can integrate in Google Docs, in LibreOffice Writer and in Microsoft Word as well. So this is all about how you can integrate Google Docs with Zotero. Thank you.